Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove iOS beta from iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that in your iPhone you have updated to beta version and you want to remove this from your iPhone because your iOS beta has some bugs and glitches and everywhere you want. So let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. You have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Now go to your settings app and here go to general, go to software update. Now in software update, basically what you have to do, you have to simply disable or turn off your beta updates. Just have on beta updates over here and just tap on this off option. Once you have tapped on off, it may take a long some time, it might take 5 to 10 seconds. Once it have done, just go back and just tap on automatic updates here and you just have to enable this toggle which is automatically installed. Once you have enabled, it will get you the latest original iOS version. So you just have to try to update if you find any software update here, or you can try to relaunch your settings app, then go to general, go to software update, and just try to soft update your software. So it will happen, it will disable your beta updates and it will get you on the latest version on public iOS software. So in this way, you can easily remove your iOS beta from your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.